If you're seeing Epic Games error code 0, don't worry. This is usually a simple launcher issue, and in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. We'll go through the basic troubleshooting first, including checking your internet connection, disabling any VPN, and clearing the Epic Games launcher cache. These simple steps solve the problem for a lot of users, and they're safe to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, completely restart the Epic Games launcher. If it's already open, close it fully instead of just minimizing it. On Windows, you can also check the system tray to make sure it isn't still running in the background. Sometimes the launcher gets stuck on a bad session, and a full restart is enough to clear the error and reconnect properly. Next, check your internet connection. Error code 0 can happen when the launcher can't communicate properly with Epic's servers, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. Try loading a few websites to confirm your internet is working normally. If your connection is slow or dropping out, restart your router and try again. After that, disable your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games authentication or make the launcher think there's a connection problem. Turn the VPN off completely, then reopen Epic Games Launcher and see if the error is gone. If the launcher works without the VPN, that means the VPN was likely causing the issue. Now let's clear the launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for Epic Games error code 0 because cached files can become corrupted or outdated. To do this, close the Epic Games Launcher first, then open File Explorer and go to your Epic Games cache location. Depending on your system, this is often found in the App Data folder. Once you locate the launcher cache files, delete the cache contents, not the launcher itself. Don't worry, this won't remove your games or account. It just forces the launcher to rebuild fresh temporary data the next time it opens. Once the cache is cleared, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and sign in again if needed. Give it a moment to load fully and check whether the error message appears again. In many cases, these 3 steps, restarting the launcher, checking your internet connection, disabling the VPN, and clearing the cache, are enough to fix the problem completely. If you still see the error after that, try running the launcher again after a fresh system restart. A simple reboot can clear background conflicts and refresh your network connection. Also, make sure Windows updates are installed and that your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the Epic Games launcher. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix Epic Games error code 0. If this tutorial helped, please click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.